Hook midnight to 0:15. 50% of AI data centers have been cancelled or delayed in 2026. That's huge. AI is still booming. New tools emerge daily. Let's dive in. Setup 0:15 to 1 o'clock. AI is changing everything. From content creation to design. News just broke: Canva's AI tool removed Palestine from designs. Canva apologized for any distress caused. This shows AI's power and flaws. Right now, AI tools can boost your business. Let's explore 5 game changers. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It's a note-taker, task manager, and database. Imagine you need to organize projects. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. It's free or $10 per month. Entrepreneurs need Notion. Saves time, boosts productivity. Try Notion today. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is AI-powered content generation. It creates blog posts, social media posts, and more. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 2 hours, Jasper does it in 10 minutes. It's $29 per month. Content creators need Jasper. Saves time, increases output. Jasper is a must-try. Claude 4 to 5:30. Claude has conversational AI capabilities. It helps with customer support and sales. Imagine you need to answer FAQs. Instead of 3 hours, Claude does it in 15 minutes. It's free to try. Business owners need Claude. Boosts customer satisfaction, sales. Claude is a winner. Chat 5:30 to 6:30. ChatGPT is revolutionary chatbot technology. It answers questions, generates text, and more. Imagine you need to research a topic. Instead of 4 hours, ChatGPT does it in 20 minutes. It's free. Researchers need ChatGPT. Saves time, increases knowledge. ChatGPT is a game changer. Canva 6:30 to 7:30. Canva is AI-powered design tools. It creates graphics, videos, and more. Imagine you need to design a logo. Instead of 5 hours, Canva does it in 30 minutes. It's free or $12.95 per month. Designers need Canva. Saves time, creates stunning designs. Canva is a must-have. Outro 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Which tool surprised you most? Comment below. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews. Comment link below and I'll send you all affiliate links for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.